Resend is the modern email API for developers. It's the best way to send and receive emails. We started Resend 3 years ago. Now we have crossed over 10 million monthly downloads, and more than 2 million developers use it across every tech stack. Today, we're introducing a brand new product, Automations. Automations gives you the tools to set up lifecycle messages and drip campaigns, enabling you to send dynamic and customized emails. You can create automations visually with a drag and drop editor, or describe what you want in natural language and let AI create it for you. We've built automations on 3 core primitives: triggers, personalization, and observability. First, let's talk about triggers. Each flow begins by defining an event. A user signs up, an order is placed, a link is clicked. You can define your custom events in the dashboard or via the API, and each event can include a schema based on your own data structure. Second, personalization. Once an event fires, you can control what happens next. Branch your automation based on contact data or specific event properties. Send emails at the right time to the right people. Finally, observability. Before going live, test your automation end-to-end. Fire a test event and watch it flow through each step. Once the automation is running, the observability panel shows every run in real time. See what's in progress, what completed, and what failed. You get full visibility into each trigger, action, and email. Automations is for products running onboarding sequences, e-commerce stores sending purchase flows, and apps who need to re-engage with their users. Today is the next step in our vision of becoming the all-in-one email platform. Start your first automation now.
At Resend, we are thinking deeply about how to help you build emails at each stage, when creating, editing, and reviewing. AI should speed you up and enhance your ideas. Today, we're excited to announce the new Resend email editor, extended by AI. Let's cover the process of building an email. Most content doesn't begin as an email. You've already written a changelog, a blog post, a product update. Now you can give the editor any link to get started. The AI will extract the page content, including your brand, voice, and tone. As you edit your emails, the AI can help. You stay in control and get inline help when you need it. When you're ready to send, the editor will help you optimize your content and avoid big mistakes. This helps you land in the inbox and engage your audience. Finally, we believe the future of productivity is collaboration with agents. We're excited to invite you to bring your own agent stack. With Resend MCP Server, you can give your own agent direct access to the visual editor. And because each template or broadcast is a living real-time document, you can also review together with full live cursor support, presence indicators, and more. Our goal is to help you quickly craft emails that look and sound like you, helping your whole team to build together. AI should be invisible and never get in your way. Try the new email editor now.
Context switching kills flow. That's why we built the Resend CLI. Now, the entire surface area of the API is at your fingertips, right from the terminal. Today, we're introducing 4 new features to the Resend CLI. First, we've added skills to help your agents use the CLI. Give your agents their own email inbox so they can sign up for accounts, respond to your users, or process attachments. The newly added skills can help keep agents secure by following best practices. Additionally, skills have proven useful in helping agents avoid hallucinating and wasting tokens. CLIs should be more than API wrappers. That's why you can send React emails from your local file system. Third, the CLI also allows you to build multi-step workflows directly from your own data. Manage automations, create event schemas, and debug runs. Finally, you can now listen for webhook events from the CLI. Webhooks are a powerful tool that allow you to be notified and perform actions when certain events happen. However, it can require some work to get them set up. Now, you can use the Resend CLI to set up webhook listening with a single command. Email is easier to use than ever before. Move faster and go further with the Resend CLI. Out now.
Click and Open Tracking offer powerful insights into what resonates with your users. Typically, tracking is done through a shared domain. The trouble? The shared domain reputation could impact your deliverability. Today, we're launching custom tracking domains for everyone. Now you can track both opens and clicks, getting the data you need in a way that builds trust with inbox providers. They love to see alignment between your sending domain and your content. Click tracking works by setting up a redirect for each link in your email. When anyone clicks a link, the action is recorded and the user is redirected to the original URL. Open tracking embeds a 1x1 pixel image that, when downloaded, indicates the email was opened. So how does custom tracking work? It replaces the shared tracking domain with your domain. When you enable click or open tracking, add a single CNAME record and Resend will handle the proxy and record the action. Pair custom tracking with real-time webhooks, and you can programmatically measure the results of your email, better understand your audience, and refine your templates to fit your recipients. Custom tracking gives you full control over your mail's reputation while helping you learn what your recipients want. Starting today, it's available for free for every Resend user.
We built React Email to modernize email development. Write emails in React, TypeScript, and Tailwind, and get HTML that renders in every email client. We're excited to announce the next chapter of React Email, an open source email editor you can embed in your own app. In as little as one line, bring the power of React Email to your users in a modern visual editor. The new editor outputs semantically correct email-ready HTML that renders correctly in every inbox. The editor itself is composed of two key layers, core and extensions. The default core requires no customization. Import a minimal theme or write your own CSS to style it exactly how you want. To add to the core, build your own custom extensions using the composable API to fit your users' needs. For instance, let users upload images to a CDN, embed social posts, or add rendered charts to their emails. All this is completely free and open source. No vendor lock-in, no expensive enterprise tier. React Email 6 also includes a new collection of beautiful templates for many common use cases like auth flows and e-commerce sequences to help you get started. We want to thank all 196 contributors who have made this possible. We're excited to see what you'll build with the new React Email 6. It's ready to integrate into your app today.
The best software comes from people who obsess over details, people who care deeply about their craft. These builders are everywhere, but they rarely get the chance to be in the same room. This year, we're changing that, announcing Resend Forward, a conference for developers who care deeply about their craft. Join us in San Francisco on October 21st for our flagship conference. You can expect a full-fledged one-day event. We look forward to hearing from industry leaders in software development and AI. And of course, there will be good food, incredible experiences, and lots of cool swag. It'll be an event that you won't want to miss. Resend Forward is an event by builders for builders. Together, we'll explore the current landscape, equip each other with practical tools and workflows, and inspire each other to build high-quality software that users love. And above all, it's an excuse to gather and remember how capable our community is. We hope you leave more excited to build than ever before. We're looking forward to sharing more details with you in the coming months. To be notified when tickets go on sale, join the waitlist today.